But when you get tiny, tiny particles like this soot, they're small enough to sneak past all of your body's defense systems. And so they're going to get deep into your lungs, and they're also small enough to cross the barrier through your lungs and will get in your blood and really causes some issues. Now, in your lungs, obviously, you're going to have respiratory issues, asthma, bronchitis, and just basic lung problems. But the real big ones people don't think about is how something you breathe can get into your blood and literally in your bloodstream can cause heart attacks and strokes and really mess you up. Also a cancer risk, long-term exposure to diesel soot has been linked to increased lung cancer. And diesel exhaust, untreated diesel exhaust, headaches, dizziness, fatigue. Don't be huffing your diesel pipe.